அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். So welcome to my channel, Edu Umbrella. So today we're going to see how to create Google Forms. Okay, so now Google Forms are very common. So in most of the events, they are using the Google Forms for registration. I'm sorry. So for you can use it for registration as a registration form. You can use it, and also you can create quiz also. The most common usage of using Google Forms. So now let us see how to create Google Forms. So go to Google, type Google Forms. So click the first link. So go to Google Forms. So click a blank. So here just in that give a title. So now I'm giving Google Form sample. So form description, I am giving just Google Form creation. So you can choose your own description according to your form that you are creating. So we have the first question. Okay, so say for example I'm creating a registration form, so I'm giving the name, so let it be a short answer, right? And if you want to make it as a mandatory field, which means that the user cannot leave or cannot submit the form without entering it, then give this required. Okay, so go to the next one. Say for example I'm getting the address, so let it be a paragraph, right? Then next, let me go for this the gender. So for this I'm choosing the multiple choice, so option. So let me take the suggested options. Option, yeah, yeah, this is fine. Okay, so we'll have these two options, male and female. Okay, so next question. So let me choose the check boxes. So say for example let me go to category option. So here let me give a faculty, then let me give a student. Okay, so these two options, let me check, have the check boxes here. Then again another question. So here let me say the registration form is for choosing the course. So let me give here choose the course to register, say for example. So let me give a drop down here. So I'm giving a basic example C as well as C++. Okay, that's fine, right? So next question, let me go with another option. So either you can use a file upload also. So all the file uploads, it will be taken care of by the Google Drive. So click continue. So here I can let me choose ID card. Okay, I am asking the ID card from the participants. So if you want to allow only the specific file types, you can choose any one of it, PDF, spreadsheet, image, audio, else left it blank. And you can choose the maximum number of files that can be uploaded and what is the maximum file size. Okay, so next one, and I can have a linear scale. So this linear scale can be used in terms of a feedback form. Suppose if you want to give a rating from the user, so you can just give rating from from 1 to 5. So in the case of feedback form you can use this. Okay, and you can have another option, that is multi-choice grid. So this is also again the same. Say for example if I'm saying uh, languages known, I'm sorry, languages known, so I'm telling Tamil, okay, then English, then Hindi. So in column I'm writing uh, read write, then speak. Okay, so this can be used as a multiple choice grid as well. So then next one, so let me choose the tick box grid. So instead of having a multi-choice grid, I can once again have this. Okay, so once again I'm go for the same option. So language is known, so again I'm giving the same um, Tamil, English, Hindi. So read, write, and speak. Okay, so this is another an option. Okay, so just the thing differs. Okay, tick grid, this is column grid, so that's the only difference. And so these are the options that is available you can create for the forms, and date and time is also there. So if you want to enable that, I can enable that also. So I can choose date, and if you want to place the time, so I can choose time also. Okay, and we have other options as well. For example, if you want to import the questions, so I have many number of forms already been created, and if I want to take any one of it, say for example, so this is a form I've selected. So here I can choose any field which has already been created in the forms. So here, for example, I'm taking the name of the institute and email ID. So now it will be created automatically. So that is the import questions. And you can also add a title and description again. If you want, you can add an image. You can go to the browse and bring it here. And if you want to add any video, so you can do so from YouTube or just paste the URL here. And if you want to create a subsection out of here, you can do so. For example, the relevant fields in the first section and in the other section. Okay, so that can be done here. So here I can give educational qualification. Suppose if you're creating a large number of survey form, then you can create a number of subsections using this. Okay, so that are the options. You have seen all the options whichever that is available. So now it's time to preview the form. Okay, so let me preview it. So now your form is ready. So name, address, gender, category, choose the course to register, C++, then add your ID card, give the rating, languages known, the date and time. So we have just given the description right there. And again, I'm clicking next. So it's not allowing me because this is a required question which were given at the initial point. So I'm giving this a name, and next I'm clicking next. So this is also a required question. So I belong to uh, so now I belong to VIT University. So now it's the form accepts. Similarly, if you want the participants to enter all the fields before they're clicking submit, make it everything is required. Okay, so what's your educational qualification? Yes, and PhD. So that's simple. So that's the thing. And if you want to give the form, okay, so you have just created the form and entered the fields. So just want to spread the link. So for that, just click send, click the link option. It will create a link. So it's a large link. So just click shorten URL, then just copy it. So then paste it into your mail and then forward to whomsoever is want for you. Okay, so that's simple. So this is what you are going to create the Google form. And also you can get the responses as well. So you can see the responses. So in the responses you can see the direct response as well. Else if you want to get the responses in the form of an Excel sheet, just click this and then click create. So you will be creating your you'll be getting your responses in the Excel sheet as well. Okay, so this is what we have entered. So the separate Excel sheet will be created. So from that you can get all the responses which you are getting from the form which you have created. Okay, so it's very simple. So it's very common now using the Google Forms. I hope by seeing the video that everyone will came to understand how to create the Google Forms in a very easier way. Thank you. Thanks for watching it. Thank you so much.